Hello friends, myself Kaushal Joshi. By profession, I am as an production engineer and 20 years of experience in Indian MNCs. By hobby, I have write a book and published so many books. And by passionate, I just wanted to give this essence of work to the newcomer writers, and I am working on the same. Our vision and mission is to give a earning platform to the visionary writers, where we are connect a writer and reader by Nexus. Nexus is providing a good platform to the newcomer writers, where we are doing Amazon Kindle book designing and paperback designing, as well as we are publishing this book worldwide. Even though during the pandemic time and COVID time, we are helping them and we help each other to motivate them. We are providing inspiration and give a good earning platform to them. We are organizing so many national level story writing contests, which gives a motivation to them, which is completely free of cost. And we are doing and we are publishing their books to the world. Accordingly, we promote them, we publish them. As Mr. Modi sir said that the crisis time, we have to convert this crisis into an opportunity, and we have to help each other. That is the main motto of our company. Right now, there is a crisis of readers as well as the publishing crisis in the market, and we just analyze many things and we have searched so many marketing data. Accordingly, we support writers and we are creating good platform for them where they can sell their product. It is a platform for everyone who can serve their product, and we are giving them a good platform of vocal for local as well as Make in India concept. I have written a book on Yog Mudra in 2016, and accordingly I have learned so many things. On that basis only, we have analyzed so many data and we come up with good marketing strategy and good business model, which we are using for everyone. And we are providing very affordably and budgetary package to the writers, where they can check their write-up and can get a feedback from the world and from the readers. This is a platform where everyone has to use and has to taste it. It is, of course, we need to support each other. If we see rightly, our central government has announced one chapter for Yuva authors just before 3 to 4 days, and he is searching for 75 writers. Those central government will select them, and under the mentorship and scholarship by central government, they will provide a good platform to them. This is the thing where our government is also promoting, and we should write a good sense, because currently writers has to give good writing to the world, and we have to convert ourselves into new potential way. Writers has to come up with a good ideas. He has to first decide their marketing strategy, and then after they has to publish or writing their books. Because 2021 का टाइम जो है वो अगर आप लोग नया सीखेंगे नहीं, न्यू लर्निंग इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे, तो ये टाइम जो है आपके लिए वेस्ट है. बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टाइम वेयर यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट न्यू थिंग्स, and renew and continual improvement is completely necessary. So for writers, अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई भी ऐसा नया आइडियाज़ है कि मार्केट में वो चीज़ का ज़रूरत है, तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू राइट ए बुक. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थिंक अबाउट दैट, टारगेट योर ऑडियंस, द एज ग्रुप, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली you have to write a book which is not available in the market. You have to do so many data analysis, and you have to adopt a advanced technology like Amazon Kindle or ebook, online learning and everything, because this is the time where audience are reading paperback books as well as Amazon Kindle books also. So you have to convert yourself into new technology. Once you target your audience and accordingly you have to write a book, then make your framework in a such a way so that the reader can continue the things and they can complete the book in one sitting only. According to so many datas, for example 17 to 18 countries, on the basis of according to 17 to 18 country based survey, there are only 30% persons are available, those who are reading a book, one book in a week, and which is very less, because the readers are not getting the books what they wanted to know or what they wanted to read. So we have to focus on it. Writer has to focus on it, and they have to make such kind of books. And it's a very big platform where the writer or author can promote, and I will surely say that is the first and must writing strategies and marketing strategy is that writer is the best marketer of their product or of their book. And this marketing is lacking in our country, because everyone has to do advertisement or marketing, and they have to do so many efforts. We are providing such kind of marketing strategies, and we are doing efforts on digital marketing also. Through that we are publishing and distributing our books to promote newcomer writers. So that is the thing. In last, just I wanted to say that read, write and publish, because that is the time where we don't want to wait for a time, and this is the time. Just do it, because once you do first project, then you will get some improvement, and once you publish your book, then after you know in which sense you have to improve your ideas and your write-ups and your writing skills. So first, just do it, publish your book and check the result from the reader.